Follow each other. Follow us. A sword. I would hold that one in this hand. Your front hand. Okay, ready? No. Hold it out. You know how to play sword. Okay, hold it in that hand. Ready? Fight! Stop! Hit. One on this side. Ready? That's sword at that top. Ready? Fight! Stop! Stop! Nothing. Ready? Ready? 1-0. Fight! Up! One on this side. Two, you gotta move around. Okay, Toby. You have to move around. Okay? Ready? Fight! Stop! Stop! One on this side, on the head. 2-1. Ready? Get that sword in that box. Wait till I get out of the way.
I know.
Ready? Fight! Oh, that got in there. 3-1. Ready? Fight! Stop! Oh! 4-1. Are you okay? You alright? Did you get hit there? What happened? Oh, he stepped on your toe. Oh, you were holding this.
Wish I did, but no.
Okay, everyone bow. This is Cameron over there. All right, ready? So it's 4-1. Ready? Fight! Stop! Nothing. Ready? You gotta make it change. In the box. Move around.
Hang on.
That's this whole ring. Believe me, if I was in here, I'd be using this whole ring. Okay, ready?
Me too.
Ready?
I'm running
Fight!
away.
Stop! Stop! Go!
I lost my balance, so I was trying to get away as quick as I could.